Hey guys, welcome to Andrew Streaming Tips. Today I want to share with you the new update of Cinema HD, update 1.3.2 that was just released today. From the developer, they add Netflix leads, Amazon leads, HULU leads, YouTube Red, faster speed of getting sources, fixed providers, and more optimization. Okay. So this is really good, giving all more options. Uh, and like if you guys didn't see my video of my 5 favorites APKs, I will leave it down on the video description. Please go there and check this video out. And if you guys are not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and like and share, please. So we gotta go to the 3 lines there in the top, and we come here in this window, and as you can see here, we have the 1.3.2 version. Let's go to the TV show section there. Let's go to categories here, and from here we scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you got your YouTube Red. Yeah, a few shows there, and HULU, and you got you have a lot of shows here as well. Amazon. Let's go back here. So guys, here you have everything the Terrain TV had to offer. You actually have it here as well. So this, like I said, this is being one of my favorites, and you guys can get it in my Play Store. Also guys, this is another update for Scion TV, TV Scion. I didn't make a video for that, but you guys can go into my website and just check there, and there have new news and things that I don't make videos. You can guys go there and check. You have some updates APK there that I didn't make videos about it, and just go there, because sometimes there's update and I don't do a video, but you guys, if you go there, you will see it there in my news or in the front of the page, and you can actually go in my store and you guys can get it yourself. Okay guys, so again, one of my favorites, Cinema HD with a new update. So it's in my store guys. Let me show you there. If you go here, let's go to Filelinked. If you don't have the Filelinked, I will also leave a video in the description, and the video description, so you guys can go there and check the video. So let's enter the code. Is 421000878, and we press back and continue. Let's gonna enter the pin 0411, and we're just gonna do continue. And guys, here you are in my store, and the new version of Cinema is right here on the top for you. So come here and just grab it and enjoy it. Okay guys, so if you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel, please share, comment, and if you see anything here, I have over 100 APKs here, and for you guys can come here and download anything that you guys want. And if you guys see anything that is not up to date, just leave me a comment, and I will bring it up to date for you guys. Okay, so please like and share, and see you in the next one guys.